State ASIDA SENKHAI-THUMKHAI Thawong ANGAKPA PHANGNA HENGATLAKLIBA asi LAKSHINNABA Manipur Police ki Anti-Extortion Cell ama Hangduna Thabak Loukhatpa Houre HAINA Manipur Police ki IGP Intelligence ke KABIB na PHONGDORAKLI wafam asi hauzik Manipur da SENKHAI-THUMKHAI gi Thawong sing HENGATLAKLIBA asi gi matangda ngasi Imphal West District ki SP gi Conference Hall da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada mahakna phongdokhibani Paugi mifam aduda KABIB na hai Manipur da hauzik oiriba law and order gi khudong chaba lawraga lalholup amadi tongan ba gang singna SENKHAI-THUMKHAI gi thabak sing angakwa phangna chathare yamna organize oiba mawong da chathariba SENKHAI-THUMKHAI gi thabak sing asi ayamana National Highway amasung Bazar area dagi illegal tax lawa asini amaromda donation gi mingda mahai loisang amadi public amasung private establishment sing dagi sale khaiba gi thabak asisu pak sana chathari loinana hauzik state asigi tongan ba mafam singda bom langsin ba bom thamjelamba amadi mifami punna chingba kaya chathari ba asi SENKHAI-THUMKHAI ga mari leinaba ngaktani oirakliba SENKHAI-THUMKHAI gi thabak sing asi mapung fana thengnaduna laksinba ngamnaba Manipur Police ki ADG law and order na luchinglaga anti-extortion cell ama semle masida journal khudingmak ki IG sing member oina yauri Masiga iroinana atopa security agency ki matenga loinana Manipur ki district singda state police ki oipa crack team taramanga semduna SENKHAI-THUMKHAI LAKSHINNABA mathok tawba hokre hokiba chahi amada SENKHAI-THUMKHAI ga mari leinana mioi chamaga kunma thoi faba ngamkhe loinana tongan ba lahlolop amadi gengi mioi sing chani gyangkhai hena fakhi faraba mioi sing asi ayamana SENKHAI-THUMKHAI ki thabakta chenaba yauri State ASIDA hauzik angakpa phangna hengalakliba SENKHAI-THUMKHAI gi thabak asi miyamgi mateng yaudana police khaktana laksinba ngamloi maram aduna miyamnasu police na lokhalakliba thabak thoram singda angamba mateng pangbiu karigumba sale gi demand ama hek lakpa matamda lotsinbagi mahut police ki control room natraga khangna chanaba police personnel singda pau pibiu masida police ki maikaidagi aron athup sing mapung fana ngakani haibagi thazaba miyamda thamli masiga iroinana laikai singda kanagumba singna moral policing gi thabak asi tohan biganu asigumba thawong asina maning thongda sale gi demand kaya chathadaba nate kanagumba miyoi natraga lup singda moral policing tohan bagi mahut State asigi lairiba law enforcing agencies singda oina pau pibiu haina KABIB na makhatana phongdokhi pangthokiba paugi mifam aduda Manipur Police ki IGP administration ke Jayanta DIG range 1N Herozit amadi Imphal West District ki SP KSH Sivakantasu sarung yakhi
Taking a serious note of all these activities, our state police have constituted one anti-extortion cell headed by our ADG LO, in which all the zonal IGs are members. And this anti-extortion cell is mainly to focus on monitoring and supervising the anti-extortion drives in various parts of the state. In the districts, the state police, with the help of other security agencies, have constituted their crack teams. And there are 15 crack teams in the state as of now that is working against this extortion.
Bo lang sila me, may wakat me mipam me. Ko, kari maram ki kamay tor manoy do, hita paisa ki demand ka mari lena ba hita oil ramba. Extortion ke threat demand la sing se khoi thengnamina si masigi thengnamina bagi keno se accept to se khoi public tagi support public na khoi ga support pira ba kan da masi akhoi gi law enforcing department agency na yamna line to bungam gane na khalle pau phangdradi yade pau bibiu haibani da khoi na haibani lotna thambi gano haiba any keno ma thopa kan da kapa mega degi pha khrega keno to khrega akhoi na investigation tawruba kan da di hekta keno ka mari leina rameba